Hey yo, it's Chris O. So this is the next day after I've waterproofed the shower. I've just done another coat in the on the shower floor, which I always do from a slurry. So I'll get this slurry or the waterproof covered before it dries, and it then sticks nicely. Alright, I've got a lump. Then it sticks nicely to the mud. Nice. These people still want a step down, which is fine. With this shower already, you know, it's been tiled before. It's not a brand new shower. So I've already got pre-slope in my shower for the water to run down there. You never attach your waste into that pipe. That's a never, because you always get water that soaks through your grout into your bed, and then the pre-slope takes it to that hole. People think once I've got a tiled shower, they think it's waterproof with silicone around, you know, around the internal edge there. They think it's waterproof, but no. Grout is not waterproof, and the water soaks through. Right, so I'll just mix up another bucket, get rid of that hard piece of mud. It's nicely covered now, so home and hose. I will come up below that floor waste. I have a tile there, so that's roughly my height there. I'll sort that out in a minute, and I give it a nice slope. This time I'm turning my floor wastes on an angle. I will always fall it down to that corner. That is how you fall your tile. Like that. Not to the corner. Not to your corner. No. Right. We'll see you soon. Bye.